Sweet Leave by Black Sabbath. Let's get started. Hey, hey! Aaron Smith here. Well, this is not the whole song. I don't have the lead break in it or nothing, but it's the main riffs. And this was a request, and I think he just wanted to pick up the chords. This is done in the fifths. This song's done just in the fifths, and it would sound so much better with a like distortion. Of course, I'm playing it on my Kawai CA58, very expensive digital piano. But and, you know, I love it and everything, but the only thing I don't like is it don't have the split keyboards where you can split the instruments up, and then it don't have any kind of distortion in it. But it's got the, you know, like pianos, guitars, strings. And I could set it up with my Casio, because it does my Casio keyboard, but it, you know, it's such a pain in the neck. So I'm just going to, so this is going to be a short lesson. Just going to be done on here. So here we go. It goes in, this is all, if you notice, this is perfect fifths. So you're doing it on fifths. So if you want to learn on the guitar, you play it in the fifths. So it ain't going to sound near as good, you know, unless you had like a distortion. But since I ain't got one, this is the way it's going to be. So it goes see the perfect fifths? Going to sing it, so it's just, like I said, this was a request, and I think he just wanted to learn the chords. But you want to play it on the guitar, that's fine. Matter of fact, it worked a lot better on the guitar with distortion. Sound a lot better too. So it goes like this. Pretty easy to play. But then when you're playing, you know, I'm just slowing it down a little bit, but it goes out. It's A, B, C, D, A, all fifths, D, C, D, A. So there's that part. So this is going to be a fast lesson. So now your next part, where it goes out. There's your next part. Messed up. Yeah, so you got to go to that E, back to A, so it goes. That's the trickiest part, going to the E, A, so it goes. Yeah, like that. haven't played this song very much. So you go C to the E, perfect E, A. So you're going from the E, perfect E, to the A. Yeah, just like that. Then back to that. So it's you know, A, G, C, E, A, G, C, E, A. So there you go. Sweet Leave by Black Sabbath. Like I said, I don't have all the parts, but that's the main riffs. So there's the chords that guy wanted. Like I said, that was a request. And it sounds so much better on a fuzz guitar. Or if you had some kind of distortion overdrive on your keyboard. So there you go. Sweet Leave by Black Sabbath. Now you're going to see your next lesson. Till next time, later.